What is an abstract base class? Many developers try to instantiate them directly, which always fails. Let's understand why. An abstract base class, or ABC, is a special type of class that cannot be instantiated directly. Think of it as a blueprint that's intentionally incomplete. Python will throw an error if you try to create an instance of an ABC. This design is intentional because an ABC exists only to define a contract that other classes must follow. The power of abstract base classes comes from abstract methods. These are method declarations without implementations, marked with the abstract method decorator. When a class inherits from an ABC, it must implement all abstract methods, or Python won't let you instantiate it either. This enforces a contract, ensuring all subclasses provide specific behavior. Unlike regular inheritance, where methods are optional to override, abstract methods are mandatory. Here's how it works in practice using Python's ABC module. We define a shape class that inherits from ABC and declares an abstract method called area. Now, if we create a circle subclass, we must implement the area method. Once we do, we can instantiate circle objects. But we can never instantiate shape directly. This pattern is common in frameworks where you need to guarantee certain methods exist across different implementations. Abstract base classes define incomplete blueprints with abstract methods that subclasses must implement, creating enforceable contracts in your code. Master this concept by practicing with the ABC module in your next Python project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.